What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Project Galaxy or the GAL token. It's already been a couple of days since we did the last analysis. Since then, to be honest, Project Galaxy and especially the GAL token have been pretty quiet and consolidating. Volume is still at great amounts at 270 million, 24% more than the market cap, which is great. But apart from that, I mean, it's very moving GMT-like, if you know what I mean. If you follow GMT in its beginning, so the green metaverse token, if you followed that in the beginning, it was actually after a huge bull run. It was very consolidating, and here again. And it's kind of the same movement, kind of the same price movement we're seeing with the GAL token right now. I don't think the projects are that related, but both came up in kind of the same time period. So it's might be interesting to take a look at how that has happened. But from now, Project Galaxy, the main thing we're doing is we're consolidating between this $7.5 level and ultimately this like 5.85, but more specifically like 5.5 maybe. That's easier to say it like that. We're bouncing between those levels, it looks like, at least, but in reality the main thing I see is quite a strong downtrend. It's a very slow downtrend, which is great because that means that GAL is has less volatility, and I also think that means that we cannot have these huge drops again soon. However, I do expect a drop and a breakout out of this area, and I don't think that's going to be bullish. I think we have one possibility to get a bullish breakout, and that would be if we like squeeze this whole triangle a little bit longer. So for example, if like in 3 days we're still in this triangle, and then we get some bullish impulses throughout the whole market, so Bitcoin going up by like 10% or something, then GAL can actually follow that and get up to something like $9, something like that. But I doubt that's going to happen, and arguably the breakout out of this area is going to be sooner, because you can actually draw it in some sort of a different triangle like this, which would not give us that much time. It's really up to you how you draw that. I'm not that big on drawing triangles with everything. I don't trust them that much, but in this situation they are clear to actually illustrate something, and that is that there is a very strong downtrend going on. We have, and that's to be illustrated with trend lines, we have tried to get some bullish trend lines going on, but as you can see, they just broke, retested, break, retested, and I think the same is going to happen to this. So I think we'll see something like this at first, like with that trend line. We can better keep that then. I think we're going to see something like this first. So break down below that, drop down to probably 5.55 or something, then take a break retest, and that could definitely allow us to stay down here for a little bit longer, giving us the time to get some bullish impulses throughout the whole market and maybe get that move up to $9. But if that does not happen, in the moment we break down below 5.55, I think we're dropping down to this area around 4.8 and $5. So it's not going to be a massive bearish breakout, I think. But it will change the market structure, because when right now it's still arguably a very slow downtrend or a consolidation, this could be the inception of something a little bit more bearish. And if that actually continues, we could also see levels around $4, so that we're just going to get into a downtrend like this. But that's really, I'll probably update that, because it's all with all, it's very interesting to take a look at what's happening with the GAL token right now. Obviously, and I've talked about that a lot, long term, I think the Project Galaxy project, or I think Project Galaxy has a lot of potential, but I think it just started in a wrong period of crypto. Still think it's actually holding up pretty well for if you take a look at the circumstances in which it has been created and has been launched. It's holding up pretty well, but still I do expect these moves, apart from the occasion that we get bullish impulses throughout the whole market, so a relatively more bullish crypto market all with all, but you will definitely notice that when that's happening. But yeah, apart from that, I think this is the most likely scenario. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.